Hello and welcome. My name is Kamini. I'm going to give you your tarot reading for the month of September 2020. This is going to be for Aquarians, the Kumbh Rashi. This is going to be a general reading, so take what resonates with you. Okay. First of all, let me see what's coming in for you for the month of September. Okay, your overall energy for the month of September is the Eight of Cups, the Balance card coming for you, and your affirmation. I see that Aquarians, in the month of September, you're going to take a temporary break, and um, you're going to analyze your life in the month of September. And what I also see that you need a lot of balance in your life in the month of September. Maybe you're feeling a little bit out of balance, and you need to be honest as to what are the things that you're not able to balance in your life. Maybe write it down, make a plan. If you want to speak to someone, if you want to go for some kind of counseling, go for that. So write down what things you want in future, and make a plan or something, okay, in the month of September. Your career and finance in the month of September, I see the Strength card coming for you. Financial constraints and an affirmation for you. I see, Aquarians, you are going to be quite strong willed in the month of September in your finances, in your career. However, I also see some kind of financial crisis coming for you. And what you can do is, with this financial crisis, you can always save your money, cut down your expenses, stay within your means, so that you can, when things are better, when maybe conditions are better outside, you can go for it, because you have the will, you have the power inside of you. External conditions, whatever is happening right now, maybe we do not have any control over that, but when things become better, we definitely have our own power. So, right now, if you're feeling a little bit down with your finances, just cut down your expenses and save your money. That's all I would say. Your workplace, however, is a very drama free zone and gives you peace and fulfillment. So, I don't see any kind of problem in your workplace, okay? And you feel happy. Maybe you're doing work from home, maybe you're going out. Whatever it is, it will be fine. Maybe you're okay with that, you're fine with that, okay, in the month of September. Your love life, I see, the Three of Swords coming for you in your love life. I see that some kind of dispute coming, or some kind of separation coming for you, or some kind of maybe minor disputes coming for you in the month of September, okay. And I also see the card of a happy family coming for you. I see the card of life purpose coming for you, and I also have the affirmation for you. This When I see all these cards in your love life, committed life, there can be some kind of dispute or separation in your love life or in your committed life. I see this card, happy family. However, always remember that you have that universal love in you, Aquarians. You give love, you receive love. You are a humanitarian. Aquarians are always the humanitarian. They have unconditional love for everyone. So never forget that you are a giver, and you are a universal giver, and you can find love in everything, okay? Animals, plants, people. You're quite a humanitarian. So if you're facing some kind of problem in your personal life, even if it's a separation or some kind of problem, keep this energy of universal love inside you, so that you can heal it, you can heal yourself, and maybe even patch up with your partner or with your family. And the affirmation card I see is, I'm worthy of more prosperity and open my heart and hands to receive it now. This is how you prosper emotionally, because you work hard for your progress, and you're worthy of all the prosperities. So when you get something back, because you also give love to everyone and you get back, so when you get back, you need to open your hands and heart to receive it. So even if you're facing minor problems or major problems in your personal life, always remember who you are. You are a universal, uh, like a donor of love. You love everybody in a way, and you also love people. You also you have good thoughts and wishes about everybody, and you all when you give that thing out, when you give love out, you also receive it back. So open your heart and hands when you receive it. That's what I would say. Okay. And your health card, what do I see in the month of September? I see the world card coming for you. I see that if you're not keeping well, in September you'll make changes for yourself, because this card says that one cycle, it finishes and the other cycle starts. So a positive cycle, healthy cycle for you. Maybe you are making certain changes in your life. Maybe you're trying to make yourself more fitter, having good habits, and that will change the cycle from maybe not very positive to a very positive frame of mind. Like, it's all about us. Our health is all about us, how we take care of our health. Okay. I also see the door to personal healing and happiness. Like, you trying to heal yourself, trying to be happy, and good habits can help you out. Going for nature walks, if you're permitted, of course. In pandemic, what all is permitted and not permitted, that depends place to place. And you can have this personal healing and happiness. Talk to people, interact with people. This is a door of personal healing and happiness. Stay connected with people, stay connected with families, stay connected with yourself. Be around nature, and things will change for you. If it's something to do with emotional or physical health, spiritual health. Apart from that, if you I have a card for physical health for you. I listen to my body and honor its wisdom. I see that if you feel down somehow, when your body is not feeling well, you can just take a nap, recharge yourself. Okay. And take care of yourself overall. I don't see any kind of ailment coming for you, but I see that maybe some good habits um, can definitely make a big difference in life. And connection, I mean, connecting with people around you, with yourself first and with people around you, will definitely bring a lot of change in your life, in your physical, emotional, and spiritual life. Okay. And the things will definitely get better for you. Maybe even in your career, if you're feeling more of networking can help you out, that's better. Also in your emotional life, if you network, that's also good. And with nature also, if you are connected with nature, that will help your physical life. So overall, I see, when I said about the balance card, I see this is what is missing. Maybe connecting, not being able to connect with everyone, maybe, or maybe some kind of connection, some kind of something has been broken, that has brought some kind of imbalance in your life. So start connecting again. Okay, because you have that universal love in you. Life purpose is your life purpose. And be honest with yourself in the month of September. So I don't see any kind of problem, any major problem coming for you. I see all cards are positive, minor adjustments here and there, and things will be well off. This is your reading for the month of September, Aquarians. Take care. Thank you so much. If you've liked my reading, if it's benefited you in any way, you can give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment. You can email me for your questions. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much.